Hey everyone, this is Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing the last bit of my Merry Mail. I received this card from Jessica. Here is her information. Jessica Plans and Crafts. That is on Instagram. I don't think she has a YouTube channel. Her card came in after I filmed the other ones. So let's go ahead and take a look. She made this super cute snowman card. It's embossed. It's so cute. And inside, oh, my little helper's here. Hello, Bug. He's come to visit. Anytime I talk to myself to the camera, he thinks I'm talking to him. She wrote me this, a really nice note on the inside. I did already read it. Go ahead, Buggy. I am sitting on my hallway floor because I can't fit in my craft room or in my bedroom because of all my craft supplies. I'm working on that. She shared some of these super cute snowflakes. She made me a little corner bookmark, and we have some stickers. So super cute, some vellum. Thank you so much for these. And then she did make this really pretty ATC card. She did share some of her information on the back. Thank you so much, Jessica, for thinking of me this holiday season. The next package is from my bestie, Sharon, over at From Cheap to Chic. Both of these ladies' channels will be listed down below. I did take everything out of the box, but I haven't gone through it. So let's dive right in. I just kind of poured it out on the floor over here. Let's see. We have some card bases, which she knows I love because I use these in mailing out my dewdrops. Thank you so much, Sharon, for those. You know they're going to be getting some really good use. Then we have these clear little bags that are adorable. They are perfect for Happy Mail. This is some Jolie's. These are journal cards. Super fun. Love those. I do not have those. We have this little one's 8x8 paper, and I actually do have this. I'm not sure if it's in the 8x8 or if it's 12x12. We have lots of cool cutouts, and this is great for making baby journals. She shared these Hampton Art Easter stamps. They're super cute. They also came with some gems. Very cute. I love that Hello Spring. This is, oh, looks like this is her card. Let me read this. Merry Christmas. This is her Merry Christmas. She made these really pretty flowers. I love this paper that she used. And it looks like she sent me some goodies on the inside. We have this little mailbox tag. It's super cute. I love it. And then she sent some McDonald's gift cards. Thank you so much. Me and my daughter are so bad sometimes we will go and get Diet Cokes and French fries when we know we shouldn't. So thank you so much. This is going to be so much fun. We also have a little boy that lives next door to us, and she will take him to get ice cream at McDonald's. So this will be so fun for both of them as well. Thank you so much for that, Sharon. We have some more Jolie's Boutique journal cards. I haven't seen any of these. This says 2017. I wonder if this was part of the Joann's sticker and stamp clearance that they were doing. I think this is part of it. These are thick. Very cool. Love those. And we have some more journal cards. This is the really pretty gold. This is for wedding. This is going to go right into my wedding collection. She sent some paper my way. So someone gifted me Moonlight Magic, and I didn't have anything to go with it. And Sharon, she has the best collection, so she sent some extra goodies. So this is the 6x8, and she sent me 2 of those, so now I won't be afraid to use one of them. Thank you so much. We have the Park Lane Mariposa. I don't think I have this one. Lots of gold butterflies, very pretty. Love that. And she sent some Snap Family. These are 24 4x6 cards. I wonder if this goes with those collections that I just hauled. These are cool. I love collecting these 4x6 cards. They can be used in so many ways. We have more journaling cards. I've never seen these before. I wonder where they've been all these years that I have never seen them. This is perfect for wedding. I always have requests to make wedding cards, and these are just great to put one together. We have some me and my big ideas. I have this one and I love these. These are the family ones. These are great to use for my journals as well. So cute. Then I love this. Love, love, love. This is going to be perfect for our summer vibes swap. We have these super cute ice cream popsicles and they have little wooden sticks. So cute. This is from Pebbles. Love that. And some baby cards. Sharon knows that I make baby albums and she always finds the cutest baby stickers and sends them my way. These are so fun. I love kind of this like vibe that's going on these. Lovely. And we have, this probably goes to one of those Jolies. This is like the vacation, which is great. Then this is the 3x4s of the family. I have a couple of snap collections, so hopefully I'm sure that these will match one of those because the collections are very similar. And then she sent some of these very cool acrylic clips. I think I have some of this American Crafts collection, but this can be used for anything. These are so fun. I love them. Then we have a Moonlight Magic ephemera. I definitely do not have this. I already tell you I am in love. We have some of the acetate, which is amazing. I love using acetate. I just staple them to the projects. And here is what's inside. This is going to be great. Now I can put this together as a kit now that I have some ephemera as well as more paper. This is, oh, this is the Moonlight Magic foam stickers. These are awesome. They are foam. I don't think I have anything that is like this foam. I love this. She's going to make the perfect card front. The stamp. This is so pretty. I guess I never really looked at this collection. I really like that. Let's put this over here. Thank you so much, Sharon, for sending that my way. And then she shared the 12x12, which is amazing. Sharon is so generous. She's my bestie, of course. So thank you so much, Sharon, for always thinking of me. Sharon sends me the new items and I send Sharon the older items that I find when I'm out yard sailing. And it has been working out so perfect for both of us. This is the Imagineese. This is, it looks like it's a paper one. Welcome Spring, not a paper one, a spring one. Welcome Spring. This is thicker cardstock, which I love so much. These are great, fun colors. I love those bunnies. So cute. This is a great collection. Cut apart. So cute. Thank you so much, Jessica and Sharon. I appreciate your friendship so very much. I love sharing and swapping crafty goodies. I thank you guys all so very much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.